Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve Android system sign-in error for session expired. Sign in again. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Android system sign-in error session expired notification with 3 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Android device. Since the error is related to Android system, so consider restarting your device. This can solve this error for you. To restart your device, unlock the screen of the phone. Press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Remove your Google account and add it again. Another way that you can try is to remove your Google account from the device, which will delete all the associated app files and caches causing the error. To do so, you have to open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down to locate Accounts and Sync. Tap on Google. To remove the account, click on More, and tap on Remove Account. Your Google account and all its associated file data will be deleted. Sign into your account again by tapping on Google and adding your account. If you are a Mi phone user, then you have to go to Settings. Then scroll down and find Mi account option and click on it. Enter the password that you have set previously while creating your Mi account. Once you have logged in successfully, the Android sign-in error session expired notification will be automatically disabled. Solution 3. Disable Android system notifications. To fix Android system sign-in error session expired, you can even turn off the Android system notifications. For this, you have to go to Settings. Then click on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and click on the Android system. Go to Manage Notifications and disable the option Allow Notifications there. This will permanently remove sign-in error session expired notification on your Android. So, this is all about fixing Android system sign-in error session expired. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.